Okay, this is basically stolen from Kickstart NeoVim. This is just from Kickstart NeoVim, and it just writes it over here. All right, so let's not waste time. You could run something like CMD, but I like terminal, so we're gonna be running terminal. Remember to run terminal as administrator. We're gonna do it as admin basically every single time. So we first check okay, GCCV. Let's see our version. No, we don't have GCCV. That's why we're here. Okay, so next thing, we install chocolatey, or there we'll see it as choco. So we just run this, and then you'll install it. It'll take a little while, but I already have it installed. So what you're gonna do after it's done installing, you have to click close. So you have to close out of it, and after you close out of it, that's once again you could go to CMD again, but we're gonna go into the terminal, run it as admin again, and then we do this. It's simple. It makes sense. Choco, which is chocolate, we want to install MinGW. Now the Y is just we don't want to care about the confirmation. We want to just make it automatically say yes for us. Boop ba doop. Okay, be sure to check out Kickstart NeoVim. It's pretty cool. It's not made by me, but it's really cool. Let's just close out of this, just in case. And then let's just run a basic terminal. We don't have to run normal terminal, or like we don't need to run admin terminal. And then we run GCCV. There you go.